大家好，今日係1月15號星期四嚇。今日港股係下跌嘅，開市恒生指數跌27點，國際指數跌10點，科技指數跌32點。攜程被國家查反壟斷操守，開市跌15點，後尾跌成20點。阿里巴巴跌1.4%，同埋騰訊跌0.7%嚇。咁啊，但係開市之後咧，港股係一度反彈208點，重上27,000點。呢個巴巴、騰訊呢一跌幅減少啦。咁就仲有嗰啲中芯國際升2.5啦，呢個建設銀行升1.3啦，同埋呢個工商銀行升1.24%，勁比亞迪升2%，恒生指數最高升到208點，但跟住就回落。咁啊，上晝收市咧，恒生指數咧係跌147點，國際指數跌64點，科技指數跌107點，成交1639億元。下週就跌幅收窄嚇。咁啊，主要都係阿里巴巴跌2.6%，領指數跌59點啦。呢個攜程跌19%，領指數跌45點啦。騰訊跌1.7%，領指數跌39點。咁啊，但係咧就係其他嘅就係呢個匯豐升0.9%，中海油升2.5%，工商銀行升1.6%，同埋建設銀行升1%。咁啊，恒生銀行收市係跌76點，國際指數跌57點，科技指數係跌64點，成交就2905億元。咁啊，阿里係下跌，拖累港股跌破26,700點。F1 today's January 15th, Thursday. The market fell today. Hang Seng Index opened down 27 points. Tech Exchange Index down 10 and Exchange Index down 32. Trip.com fell 15% because it was under investigation for anti-monopoly practices, and then it will fall more than 20%. Alibaba lost 1.4% and Tencent lost 0.7%. But then after opening, the market rebounded and rose 208 points, which is a high of 27,027 points. But the market could not hold on to this gain and fell. Hang Seng Index closed the morning down 147 points. Exchange Index lost 64 points and Tech Index lost 107 points. Turnover was $163.9 billion. The market rebounded about 100 points in the afternoon. And of course, Alibaba lost 2.6%, Trip.com lost 19%, and Tencent lost 1.7%. But on the other hand, HSBC rose 0.94%, CNOOC rose 2.5%, ICBC lost 1.6%, and CCB lost 1%. The Ali list of shares fell to drag down the market.